Okay, it's Monday, April 10th, just following up on the SPY. You can see here it's continuing to grind up a little bit higher this morning. The options are up to 5. I bought those 405 calls at 481. So it's not, really a big gain. It's really not the easiest day to trade. I mean, the structure, certainly after the third bar, pointed a little higher. You're in this fair value gap right here. So who knows if this is gonna be it, or you're gonna continue higher. You can just watch structure at this point. I would just break even at the worst if it doesn't continue higher. Inside day today, certainly the week is starting off green a little bit, but there was no real actionable signal coming into the day. We didn't take out those lows. We're just inside. Again, internally on the day, we were starting up, so that's good. And we could get up here, maybe to set up just a nice scalp trade today and then see how the daily chart closes by the end of the day and what kind of actionable signal will happen tomorrow. The doji bar from last week, this is the weekly chart. We're just kind of holding here inside of that with, again, a little up bias to start the session. But the main thing is on the monthly chart, I still think after this green bar from last month, we should eventually try to work our way higher. It's red at the moment, the month, until we get above the yellow line. And that's why I'm kind of trying to look for buy signals here. But this, is kind of just an inside day developing, so you might not get much today. But anyway, just thought I'd follow up that we are starting a little higher now, so you could have a little gain out of this trade, and maybe we'll have a little bigger move, towards this close of yesterday, this yellow line type of thing. We have a kind of a fair, this is an area here where it could meet resistance. It's filling in this inefficient pricing on the, on the pre-market move down, so hopefully it'll just come right back up through that. That's all you can expect at this point, and it might not. So at this point, just a tough day to trade. Just thought I'd point that out, but at least you have a little bit of a gain if you want to take it or scale out or kind of just watch it from here. So let's see what happens by the end of the day. And knowing this isn't really the easiest day or the best day to trade, we'll look for better opportunities on the daily chart here as it unfolds. But the bias is still towards the upside until proven otherwise.